Howdy everybody, JJ with Texas Crappie Assassins. Got something a little different for y'all today. I've never done it before, but my good buddy James, fishing partner, said let's go catch some crappie out of a pond. I'm like, right on, that sounds like fun. So here you have it folks, stay tuned. I'm putting some light jig heads so they sink slow in this box, and that's the only box I'm taking. It's all Crappie King. So I got like a 1/32 ounce jig, so I can bring it in pretty slow. I'm gonna try that out and see. I'll probably put a Crappie King on here pretty soon. Give this one a try for a minute or two. Water's a little dirty, and something keeps hitting it right here by the shore. It's probably a bluegill. I keep getting hit, but I ain't getting them. We're gonna try a hulked out Crappie King. With this chartreuse and black head here. See if this does the trick. Using my 9'2" Outlaw. It's kind of my favorite rod at the moment. I love them all. I got a 10-footer. My son's got the 8-footer. I got this 9'2". I got a 5'8", I believe is what it is, for dock shooting. And I got the 14-footer. Yeah, no doubt. I was looking at that. I'm gonna let it drop down. Doesn't seem very deep. This is how I fish for them in the springtime on the lakes and the channels. Reel it in nice and slow and just pop it. Which is coming right up, folks. It won't be long. We'll be out there after them spawning fish. It's a lot of fun. do have a do have some underspins I might try here in a minute too. May trigger them. I just wanted to try this light one, light jig head with a couple different crappie kings. There's a hit. There's one. Hey, James. Hey. It's not a big one by any means, folks, but it is a nice wet, healthy looking little white crappie. Pretty. There we go. Oh, bass. And is that a crappie? Oh man, look at the size of that crappie. I guess you weren't kidding about some big ones.
Big crappie for a while, huh?
Yeah, it is. There you go, folks. That's a big old slab. That's a 2-pounder, man, off the pond. Might even be bigger, and he hammered it. He crushed it. Nice fish. Pick about like that. That's nice. That there's picture worthy. Pond fishing, folks. Very nice. With a float. Looks like it's trying to eat you. I held it up there just right at your feet. Oh yeah, see you later, bye, he says. I did not think that was a crappie when I set the hook. I did. Jesus, did you see that? Holy shit. I was trying to straighten my stuff out, and he came right up there and slammed it right out of the water like yours did. Maybe they're gonna start biting. Yeah, that was cool, man. I can't believe this one over here though, James. I was trying to get my line straightened out and my tip was doing all this. It was skipping across the top and he come up and slammed it. I'm like, damn.
Mine, the fork was tangled up. I was trying to pop it off.
Yeah, he come right up. Oh, just like that. They're liking that slip cork. There's another one, folks. I think we done figured out what they needed. They just don't need a lot of movement. You see how high I got it set? It's probably about 18 to 20 inches, I guess. See, this is fun. It's different. was a little one. Yeah, I lifted him right up out the water. He's about 3 times the size of my jig. There we go. It's another one, folks, another one. I think it's all on the depth of the bait. That's about the right depth. Well, I would say I don't think they're as aggressive, but Jesus, they about come up on shore after them, a couple of them. Well, this is definitely something different. I know I'm not really slamming them, but it took me quite some time to figure out what they do want. And I'm actually going to the truck. Let me clean this off. I'm going to the truck so I can get my crappie bites, because I think a little scent on that is going to help. But that's a pretty big crappie out of a pond. I'm pretty impressed. It's kind of fun. I don't usually use slip corks, but I don't know if you call it a slip cork. It's one with a spring on it, but they did caught that one earlier, bringing it in slow, had a bunch of light taps, and then it's like kind of figured we had to change it up and make it so it didn't have to move so much. So that's why we went with the bobber. And as soon as I put it on, I started catching some. I think I caught 5, but I'm gonna get them bites and my coffee, and then we're gonna get back at it, folks. I hope you're enjoying something a little different. Bass. Caught me a bass on my hand tie. Got him pretty good. There he is. Alright folks, well, that's the end of the video. Figured I'd give you guys something different, and surely didn't get into them big time, but did catch a nice slab and some small ones, and then that small bass at the end there. But just figured it would be something different for y'all. Hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you on the next one.